How to pin message in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. However, we will not be using the regular Messenger app. Instead, we will be using Facebook Messenger on a web browser version. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, search for Facebook. Then go ahead and open the website and log into your account. And make sure that you are on a desktop site version. Now, once the website has been opened, let's navigate to the messaging section. Now, once you are there, let's go ahead and pick a chat. Say, for example, this chat that we are on. Now, if we want to pin one of these messages right here, now all what I need to do is just click next to any one of these messages. Just click next to it, and as soon as you do that, you will get these options next to the message. As you can see, there's 3 dots and an arrow and an emoji. So what you need to do is you need to click on those 3 dots, and from there, let me do it again. From there, click on pin, and as you can see, the message has been pinned, and it's now in it has a red dot at the top right corner of it, and as you can see at the bottom, it says you pinned a message, and next to it says see all. So if you click see all, you will be able to see all of the pinned messages on this list right here. So let's do it again. Let's go, for example, and pin the 3rd message. So I will click next to it, and I will click on the 3 dots again, and from there I will click on pin. As you can see, it's now pinned, and it has the pinned arrow at the top right corner of it, as you can see right here. And if we click on the see all again, we will be able to see all of the pinned messages right here. So yeah, it's very easy and simple, and I hope you can do it and understand it. It's that easy. So that was it for this video. That's how you can pin messages in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.